How to build your online marketing business system. Now, if you're a PT or a gym owner, hi, my name is Jen and I've been exactly where you are right now. I've run 4 gyms in my time, 2 in Shanghai, China and 2 here in Leeds in the UK. And back in the day, because business is a journey like most things, the way I did my marketing was I was posting forever on social media, all the platforms I could. In fact, posting, as the phrase goes, like a Kardashian. And it's exhausting, right? And I know that because I was completely burnt out by it. And I was frustrated as well because it just wasn't giving me the results that I was looking for. You have to admit, it's not entirely measurable. Even if you're flying on the street and you might have a code on your flyer, there's no way of you tracking if that client that comes to you through your doors, if that's come from the flyer. It's a very loose way of marketing, yet everyone does it because that's all we really know how to. And if I knew then what I know now, I would have done things so much differently. So if you feel there's something missing in your marketing practices, something robust, something reliable, something sustainable, or even if you're at the stage where you know that you need to be building some form of sustainable machine, as it were, then you are in the right place, because I'm actually going to be creating, and this is video number 1, I'm going to try and condense it into 30 videos. I want to take you step by step through the process of you creating, or us creating together, a very workable and measurable online marketing system, like an online machine. Now, if that sounds of interest to you, then brilliant, and because there'll be more to follow after this. Welcome back to you driven business owners. This channel is actually all about helping you out and learning together how to generate high quality leads and clients into your offline business. Or it could be that you're an online coach and you want a way to bring in clients through online marketing practices. If you're brand new, then awesome. I actually have a contest each week. If you subscribe, hit the like for this video and also leave a comment below. I offer to 3 people each week a business bundle, and in that bundle includes a business survival kit, a lead gen service if you want to know how to fix your lead generation practices in your business. There's also 2 trainings in the bundle and also a done for you funnel. And if you don't know what funnels are, absolutely no problem. I have quite a few videos on my channel about funnels. But if you actually have an understanding of funnels, again, you are also in the right place. And moving forward, I'm about to, and this will be the first video of 30, roll out the step-by-step process on how to generate your online marketing machine, basically, because you need something that's tried, that's tested, that you can rely on, because old school traditional type practices like flyering, social media posting, connecting with local businesses and do joint ventures, I'm not discounting any of those as good, awesome strategies, but they're very short-lived, or they require a lot of manpower, and in my experience I've been burnt out in my time, as mentioned, and it ends up you just chasing your tail all the time because you have no idea really when your next new lead is going to come in. And essentially it's not really about leads as such, it's about the quality of the lead that come to your business through your front door. So this is what I'm here with these video series. I want you to have an insight as to what I do and how I help my clients, and I'm going to use one live client example throughout this video training. His name is John, and he he's owned many gyms in his time, but he's always done things in the old traditional way. So flying on the street, social media posting, word of mouth, again, awesome strategies, but month on month, especially when things happen, and the time we're recording, we are experiencing the pandemic of 2020. So you want something very reliable and robust, something you can rely on, and this is what a system brings you, like with any system that's put in place. So if this sounds of interest, then brilliant. I'd suggest that you subscribe to my channel and just grab yourself a pen and paper. I'm going to be releasing these videos over the course of 30 days, and it's going to give you again a clear insight as to what it means to build your marketing system. What does it mean? It means the foundations. We're going to together create an offer. You're going to know your numbers in your business. You're going to also know how to create the funnel, like a sales process, which is a series of online pages, and you basically walk through a potential prospect through a customer journey, as it were, and then you're going to get them on the phone. And then also you're going to lock them down and get that sale on the phone, get them to commit. You're going to be learning about Facebook ads as well. If you've dabbled in Facebook ads before, then you might understand and know that Facebook is an awesome platform. However, there are changes that are made nearly on a day-to-day basis, so it's always good to keep fresh and up to date when it comes to Facebook. But that basically fuels an already workable program that you might already have in place. So this is why I love working with gym owners and PTs or online coaches. Not only have I been in your situation before, my first studio I set up in 2012 in Shanghai, China, but I understand that you guys already know your market, you already know what programs work, so you've already got your success stories and your clients in place, and really it's all about grabbing all that awesomeness from your business and inserting it into a very workable online management type system, a system that you need in your business in order to generate these high quality leads on a consistent basis for it to be a sustainable business that you have, and for many years to come as well. So you can predict your leads coming in, you can predict your profitability, and so on and so forth. That's where scale also happens as well. So essentially, for those who might actually know a little bit more about what I'm talking about, we're essentially going to be building for the next 30 days the break-even back-end model. Now, hope you haven't lost you already. Stick around. I would love to know exactly where you are right now. Feel free to comment below what method, what marketing strategy you're using at the moment. Has it worked, or have you already dabbled in Facebook ads and you don't know how it really pieces together into a type of system that can work for you behind the scenes? Again, I would love to hear your feedback. So welcome aboard. If you want to watch these videos, and you will know everything that you need in order to build your online marketing business system, or if you would like me to help you in any way, shape or form, I actually offer a 2 free-week trial where I actually set up everything for you. I ask you that you invest £200 into Facebook spends, and then after that 2-week period I will, fingers crossed, generate the results. If I don't generate any results, then I would not even think about asking for us to work together at all. I'm basically a results-based type coach. I would only want to ask for your money if I can get the results for you. So if you're interested in that, there's actually a link below. You can book me up on a business strategy call. Also the link also shows all the other services I do. I do online courses that are that you can, for a small investment, learn how to do this break-even back-end model and how it can work for your business. I also talk about funnels as well, and there's so many other things. There's also loads of free trainings as well that I offer, so feel free to head along, punch in that link, and feel free to browse. I'm also on jenlillian.com, and thanks for listening. More to come in the next video, but I'm a strong believer that your business is a reflection of you. It's like an extension of you, and we are all here to make a dent in this world. And I've been through the struggles of running businesses, multiple businesses, in the wrong way, which has actually led to my depression and stresses over the years when it comes to business. I've learned a hell of a lot since then. I'm now here giving back to business owners who haven't quite grasped the online way of doing things when it comes to marketing. So stick around, and more to come in the next video.